doing? What's that? There. Where's your nose? How about your eyes? Eyebrow? Ang taas naman ng eyebrow mo, anak. Yan lang sa baba. Yung hair mo. Yung pek-pek mo nga, Rod. Pek-pek mo, anak ko. You don't have a pek-pek. Pek-pek. Tinga, Rod, lips mo. Lips. Where's your lips, Sydney? How about your tongue? Tongue. Your teeth. 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 Very good. Tinga, Rod. Armpit mo. Armpit mo, nako. Oh, where's your armpit, Sydney? Sydney, where's your armpit? Very good. Tinga, Rod, neck mo. Neck. Te hands mo. Hands. Hands. Hands, nako. Hands, very good. The ears mo. Ears. Ears. Where's your ears? Don't ukrad-ukrad your nose, anak ko. Your ears nga, Rod. Aman the ears mo, ne. Dakkel. Wow, what a earring, Sydney. Take foot mo nga, Rod.
Foot mo ka, no? Ngipin. Ngipin.
Bye-bye. Say bye. Say bye na, Sydney. Bye.